Bengaluru metro network is expanding rapidly, and to meet the growing demands of the urban transportation, BEML has secured an additional order worth over 405 crore rupees from Bengaluru Metro Rail Corporation Limited for the Phase 2 expansion project. With this latest order, BEML will supply 7 additional state-of-the-art metro train sets, increasing the total number of train sets under the contract from 53 to 60. These trains are designed and manufactured entirely in India by BEML's in-house engineering team in Bengaluru, reinforcing the Make in India initiative. Each train set follows a robust 6-car formation and is constructed using high-tensile austenitic stainless steel, ensuring enhanced durability, safety, and passenger comfort. To provide an optimal travel experience, each metro car is equipped with 2 roof-mounted salon air conditioners, ensuring comfortable journeys even in peak summer. The new metro trains will incorporate cutting-edge technological systems including IP-based passenger announcement and passenger information system for real-time station updates, passenger saloon surveillance system to enhance security, LCD-based dynamic route map display for easy navigation, electrically driven automatic doors synchronized with platform screen doors ensuring passenger safety. The initial contract, valued at 3,177 crore rupees, covers the design, manufacturing, supply, installation, testing, and commissioning of metro train sets along with comprehensive maintenance services for up to 15 years. BEML's advanced metro trains will support Bengaluru Metro's expansion under Phase 2, 2A and 2B, reinforcing the company's leadership in India's metro manufacturing sector. Stay tuned for more updates. Like, share and subscribe to Salar Digital.